search for App Mink.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to App Mink Jr. Are you ready to look at all the different colored trains? Alright, let's go! First is red. Red. Red train. Red is the color of strawberries. Next, we have blue. Blue. Blue train. Blue is the color of water. Next, we have yellow. Yellow. Yellow train. Yellow is the color of mangoes. Next, we have green. Green. Green train. Green is the color of watermelons. Lastly, we have pink. Pink. Pink train. Pink is the color of lips. Are you ready to go through them all again? Okay, let's go. Red. Red train. Blue. Blue train. Yellow. Yellow train. Green. Green train. Pink. Pink train. That's all the trains here at App Mink Jr. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.